How to change your life in 60 days so that you can thrive as a single mom. You can completely transform your life and become an unstoppable version of yourself in 60 days. Hi, I'm Renee, single mom, teacher, and resilience coach. Whether you feel stuck or unmotivated or a bit lost, or maybe you feel completely overwhelmed, thriving as a single mom is easier than you think. So if you're ready to become an unrecognizable version of yourself, then you really just need to change one thing about yourself. And here it is, your mindset. I'm going to teach you the 2 most effective ways to change your mindset because, after all, your mindset is the single most important force that you have in shaping your future and to build a stable life for you and your kids. When you truly believe deep in your bones with every fiber of your body that you're capable of thriving as a single mom, then personal growth becomes inevitable. The first essential step to changing your mindset and your life in 60 days is literally to just get inspired. Yes, you heard me. Get inspired by people who have already done it because success leaves clues. So if someone else has already achieved the life that you want as a single mom, whether it's them starting their own business or gaining financial independence or even getting healthy so that they can be a better mom for their kids, then if someone else has already established a proven path that you can follow, then take that path too. There's no need to reinvent the wheel. We simply don't have time for that as busy moms, right? So instead, model what works. Do you ever look at other great moms or successful people in general and think, do they have something special that I don't have? Maybe an extra dose of talent or a smoother path or some sort of secret superpower? But the truth is, successful people are ordinary people just like you. So if you're ready to change today, then immerse yourself in the stories of those who have already done it. Read books, listen to audiobooks or podcasts, attend seminars, or engage in conversations with people who are on the other side of your dream. Surround yourself with the wisdom that you need to shift your thinking. Shifting your mindset is what it takes so that your success becomes your belief system. When you model what works, you will literally be spending some of your time studying the people who have walked down the path before you. Examine the structures that they've put in place, examine the habits that they've developed, and examine the mindset that they've adopted. Learning from and emulating others is essential to getting inspired, and here's why. When you immerse yourself in the lives of those who have already achieved what you want, that's when you'll start shifting your mindset. And once your mindset shifts and changes, the wheels of progress are in motion and everything else follows and begins to spin and create this momentum. So now that you understand how critical it is to get inspired, if you want to change your mindset, then let me teach you the second most effective way to changing your mindset. You need to adopt a why not me mentality. So why not you? Is there something special about other moms or other people that have already gained the success that you want? Do they possess an ability that you lack? Is a child's life that has 2 parents in the house really free of setbacks and flaws and insecurities? Do moms lack family secrets or personal addictions or monetary obstacles? Or are successful people just some type of rare superhuman that is completely unique? Well, the answer is yes, you guys. Great moms are unique, but so are you. From the intricate details of the swirls of lines that make up your fingerprints to the collection of experiences that have been weaved into the fabric of your life. You are unique and you are that rare wonder mom. You have it all. Yes, you too have experienced setbacks, flaws, insecurities, family secrets, personal addictions, or monetary obstacles. But here's the key. Do not let your fears or your insecurities or your inabilities or your even lack of skills or money or even skeletons in the closet hold you back. All of the things that you think are obstacles to your life are actually the tools that you possess to propel yourself into a future with your children that is beyond your wildest dreams. The experiences that you have are the exact things that make you relatable to people and will give you a story to tell. It's how other moms will learn from you when you are on the other side of your dream. So yeah, great moms, they are special and they are unique, but so are you. Which is why it's imperative that you adopt the why not me mentality. You can provide for your kids and yourself, and you can thrive as a single parent. You can have it all. You know we all love a good rags to riches story, whether it's an athlete that grew up experiencing hardships and is now legendary, or even a person that has overcome addiction through determination and resilience. The truth is that great families aren't perfect. They have flaws and insecurities and setbacks and struggles just like you. And they have faced personal challenges and financial obstacles and doubts along the way. What sets amazing moms or families apart is the way that they approach these obstacles. Instead of letting the obstacles hold them back, they use them as fuel to move forward. This is why the why not me mentality is essential to changing your mindset and changing your life in really 60 days or less. The only thing standing between you and the type of mom or the type of life that you desire is the belief that you either can or you can't do it. But here's the reality. You can. Your unique experiences, your setbacks, your flaws, your challenges are exactly what makes you capable of providing for your kids and thriving as a single mom. These aren't obstacles to your dreams. They're actually the tools that you have to help you get there. When you adopt a why not me mentality, you stop seeing yourself as an outsider in the world, and you begin to understand that there's no reason that you can't change your family history and start creating a life that you love for yourself and for your kids. You have everything you need to succeed. It's just a matter of believing it and taking the right actions. So, in order to see the unrecognizable version of yourself in 60 days, it's imperative that you start right now. Not later today, just start now. Don't say, well, I don't have the time to read a self-improvement book, but instead just put on an audiobook while you're getting ready in the morning, or while you're cleaning the house, or while you're driving to work or to school. The path to thriving as a single mom doesn't require a complete overhaul of your life. It's like I said, it just starts by shifting your mindset and being inspired by embracing the belief that you actually can have a successful life and be a successful mom too. What goals are you ready to tackle? What dreams do you have for yourself? What dreams do you have for your children? And what battles do you want to overcome? Well, embrace the be inspired and the why not me strategy today so that in 60 days you will be an elevated version of yourself. Remember, your journey to becoming a better mom starts with those two simple steps, just modeling what works and adopting the mindset that success is in your reach too. Your success as a single mom is closer than you think. Well, that's it for this video. I really hope that you can take these strategies and make the mindset shifts today that will change your life. Shifting my mindset helped me so much on my journey of trying to be a good mom and trying to provide for my kids. Shifting my mindset helped me become a better version of myself in less than 60 days, both financially and emotionally. I really hope that a shift in mindset can help you too. But if you're also looking for ways that you may want to boost your income, then you guys check out my video on the importance of a side hustle for single moms. In that video, I will help you find your path to extra income. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.